Hey everyone, welcome to Marketing Hub, where we explore the world of digital marketing to help you grow your business. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most effective digital marketing strategies known as email marketing. Email marketing has been around for decades, and it's still considered one of the most efficient ways to reach your target audience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about email marketing for beginners, including the software you can use to get started. So let's begin with the basics. What is email marketing and why is it so effective? Email marketing is a marketing strategy that involves sending emails to a targeted list of subscribers to promote products, services, or events. The purpose of email marketing is to build trust with your audience, increase brand awareness, and ultimately drive sales. There are so many reasons why email marketing is so effective. Firstly, email marketing allows you to reach a large number of people instantly. According to research, around 90% of people check their emails daily, so you have a high chance of your message being seen. Secondly, email marketing is cost-effective compared to other forms of marketing such as advertising or direct mail. And finally, email marketing allows you to personalize your message. With email marketing software, you can segment your audience and send targeted messages to specific groups based on their interests or behavior. This personalization can help increase engagement and conversion rates. Now, let's talk about email marketing for beginners. If you're just starting out with email marketing, there are a few things you need to know. Firstly, it's important to build a list of subscribers who have opted in to receive your emails. You can do this by offering a lead magnet, such as an ebook or discount code in exchange for their email address. Secondly, you need to choose an email marketing software that suits your needs. There are many options available, including MailChimp, Constant Contact, Aweber, and more. These software tools offer a range of features, including email automation, segmentation, and analytics. Now, let's talk about the types of email marketing campaigns you can use. There are several ones you can use, but we will be covering only the main ones as this is a video for beginners. First, we have the welcome emails. Welcome emails are the first email a subscriber receives after signing up for your list. They are a great opportunity to introduce your brand and provide information about your products or services. Secondly, we have the promotional emails. Promotional emails are designed to promote a sale or offer. They can be effective in driving sales and increasing revenue. Thirdly, we have the newsletter emails. Newsletter emails are sent on a regular basis and provide subscribers with updates, news, and information about your brand. And finally, we have the abandoned cart emails. Abandoned cart emails are sent to subscribers who have added items to their cart but haven't completed their purchase. These emails can help recover lost sales and increase revenue. Now that you know what email marketing is and how to get started, let's talk about the best softwares for email marketing. Keep in mind that in our future videos, we will be going over lots more of free softwares that you can use to grow and create successful email marketing campaigns. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Firstly, we have MailChimp. MailChimp is a popular email marketing software that offers a user-friendly interface and a range of features, including automation, segmentation, and A/B testing. Secondly, we have Constant Contact. Constant Contact is another email marketing software that offers a range of features, including customizable templates, automation, and social media integration. And finally, we have Campaign Monitor. Campaign Monitor is a great email marketing software for businesses of all sizes. It offers a range of features including drag-and-drop email builder, automation, and real-time analytics. Now, you know the basics to get started with email marketing with proper knowledge and softwares. So, here are some tips and tricks to make your email marketing campaign successful. First tip is to personalize your emails. Personalization can increase click-through rates. Make sure to include the subscriber's name and personalize the content based on their preferences. Second tip is to use a clear call to action. A clear call to action can increase conversions. Make sure to include a button or link that directs the subscriber to take action. And the final tip for this video is to test and optimize. A/B testing can help you understand what works and what doesn't. Test different subject lines, content, and calls to action to optimize your email campaigns. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful marketing strategy that can help you reach your target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. If you'd like to learn more about marketing and would like to start earning money through affiliate marketing, or if you are just looking for an online job, then check out the link in the description for a free training course where we will teach how we earn over $900 a day online. See you in the next video.